50,000 on pocket option with the easiest strategy ever. Hi, my name is Camila and today I'm gonna show you how you can earn that amount of money very easily. So as usual, we're gonna change the assets and find the best ones with the best payouts. So let's check these ones and put as much as possible to fit in the screen. Also, we're using the candles for 30 seconds and then we're gonna use free indicators, but two of them we're gonna duplicate. So we have zigzag and we're gonna change the style. First of all, we're gonna make this white and probably let's put it free, and also we're gonna change the period here, and here it's gonna be 5, so let's save it. And here we're gonna change the moving average, so we're gonna put the period for 20 and we're gonna change the style. We're gonna make it dark blue, and the second moving average we're gonna put the 10 and we're gonna make it light blue, and now we are ready to start. So let's see what is happening. I'm gonna put a big amount of money today to show you that is really easy strategy and it's not scary to trade with it. So let's put for the lower, and our time is 3 minutes. And why I'm gonna put to this amount of money for the lower point right here. So as we can see, from 15:30 for 15:15 nearby, there is like 20 minutes growing that zigzag is showing for us. And also we can see that this is the difference between moving average right here, that we can see and understand that from here it's gonna be falling down. Also we can see the candles analyzing strategy, so we can see that we have this. So we have this candle, we have very low volume right here, so we don't have volume. It showed us, well, yes, I tried to go higher but really it's not working for me. Also we have the second candle like this here, and also we had the maximum minimum situation, also that we had the very big maximum and now we're going to the minimum situation. And also you can see that zone of support is right here and we're probably gonna test it right now as usually we do. So we can see that our price is coming through this support zone and it's already going through it. And also I think we're gonna have some support zone right here nearby, but I don't think that we're gonna go that down. So anyways, we're gonna try today different time zones, different timelines. So I'm gonna show you that this strategy is really safe for short periods and for long periods for trading. So we again having the moment that when the market showing us that, well, going higher is not our way for now. Sorry, we want to go downwards because we again having this zero volume candle. As you can see, we can have this tail, this long tail that shows us, yes, we're gonna go downwards now. So let's wait a little bit, and I think that price gonna go up downwards and we're gonna have our amazingly easily and understandable profit. Guys, we just earned $5,000. Isn't that amazing? I think that is just wonderful. $5,000 in 3 minutes, guys, that just crazy. So we already earned $5,000. So let's risk it and put $6,000 maybe. Let's continue. Let's see the other assets and what's happening. So here probably we're gonna put for 3 minutes still. Let's put the 3 minutes for a few more trades. So here we're gonna put for upwards and I'm gonna tell you why. So we have near 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes going downwards, literally stably without any suspicion. We're gonna go downwards for a long time. And I think we had this period moment for higher positions that shows us that probably somewhere here we're gonna have the breaking moment situation and it's gonna be lit. Also we have a big tail here, so we have this distance between these two time zones that's showing us that probably we're gonna go higher in few seconds. And also we again having this perfect candle with this tail that showed up. We tested the zone downwards and it's not working for us. We're going upwards for sure. Also, I think we're gonna try these zones of resistance, and we're working with the maximum and minimum again, guys. So this zone is resistance number 1, and let's draw the second one, and this zone of resistance is number 2. So I think that we're gonna test this one for sure. Let's put it for another color. So we're gonna test this resistance zone and we're gonna take our profit for sure. Also, you can see that we're working with a little curve situation. We had the curves, but it curves not usually as we usually, this curves is not that we are used to. So our curves is usually going to the downwards and these curves are going to the upwards. As you can see, we have this type of curves right here. And also we are testing our resistance zone, as I already told you, and we're going upwards, but now we have the chance to going downwards, because as you can see, we have this candle with a zero volume, with a big tail that can show us that we probably can go downwards, but the second candle is still trying to grow. That way we have this hope that our price gonna go upwards and we're gonna have our money. So I'm pretty sure that we're gonna go upwards still. So we're still in the testing resistance zone, and moreover we pretty in the safe zone for our trade moment. So we're gonna have our profit just in few seconds. And guys, just how I love this strategy. I'm showing you the real life, just oh my god, $5,500. That is unbelievable. Just you can imagine someone works for 3 months to get that kind of money, and you just in 3 minutes you earn that because of your knowledge and experience. I think that is just amazing. I don't know, I'm so happy every time when I'm earning that amount of money. I think that unbelievably true. So we earned already $10,000, and I think that is just crazy. So let's continue and let's see what's gonna happen. So okay, let's test it out for 2 minutes and put down. So what we can see again, that zigzag is showing us that we're having the 20 minutes going higher and higher. So probably now we're gonna go downwards again with the time. We have this distance between these lines. Also we had these zones of volume, zero volumes candles that showed us, yes, we tested the zone upwards and it's not working for us. Also we have these kind of support zones. Let's test them out. I think that we can probably go there. So we have one support zone probably somewhere right here, and we have one more support zone, I think right here. I don't really sure that we're gonna test both of them, but for the first one I'm pretty sure that we're gonna go there. We have these two support zone, and now we're gonna just wait, and our price is pretty and confidently it's done. We have a pretty big tail to the downwards and to the upwards too. So let's see its thing for a few seconds, and I think that's gonna be a really tricky one. So that trade is not so easy. That one is really tricky, guys. Just few seconds before our trade is closing, and few moments from the profit or from the non-profitable deal. I'm just very nervous. Oh my god, that is so scary. That's $6,000. Oh my god. And we didn't won $6,000, guys. We're still in a profitable position, but oh my god. Okay, let's try the martingale strategy, and we're gonna put $12,000. $12,000, that's the biggest amount of money that I put it in my life, guys. Oh my god, even the pocket option will allow me? Yes, it allows. Oh my gosh, guys, so I'm so nervous. Okay, we're gonna try the martingale strategy, so let's continue somewhere here. So we're gonna go upwards. Well, let's see what's happening in different situations. Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. So okay, let's put for 2 minutes. Let's put that in 2 minutes we're gonna go higher. So that's it, $12,000, guys. I'm just, my hands is shaking. Okay, but I am just honest with you. I'm showing you that it can be bad moments on the market and the good ones, and we're still in profitable situation because 2 profitable deals before, and now we put it $12,000. That is just crazy. So we earned $10,000, lost $6,000, and now if we win, that's gonna be crazy. But we're still in plus for $4,000. So let's see what's happening. We have this situation as usual that 20 minutes we have the line to the downwards that showed us that the price without any resistance worked to the downward side, and now we're having the maximum situation when we're working for the upward side. And also we have this candle with 0 volume, but this candle is like unpredictable candle because you can see that this is the tail for the upwards and for the downwards too. So this situation is kind of tricky candle situation, I can say. So also let's see, we have this resistance zone. I think we can test it for us, and we again having this, oh my god, 0 volumes. And now this candle is giving me confidence that we're going higher because we have this tail that showed, oh yes, we tried to go downwards, that is not working for us. So we continue to go higher, we continue to having our profit, I hope. Oh my god, that one is tricky, Jesus Christ. And guys, we won $11,000. Just imagine, win a plus in $15,000, guys. That is absolutely crazy. $15,000 for deals. I'm just in shock. Even that we had one non-profitable one. Oh my god, guys, that was big amount of money. I was nervous, Jesus. Okay, let's go back for 6, okay, because that is big amount of money and I'm a little bit nervous. So continue here for 2 minutes for the downward situation. We have here, oh my god, that my emotions today. For the downward situation, we can see that we again having the zigzags that showing us that we worked to the higher positions for 12 minutes confidently, and now we're going to the minimum situation. Also, we have these tails from the candles that showed up that we tried the higher zone, it's not working for us. Also, we have here the support zone, but I don't know, probably we can test it really. So we have here this support zone that we can test it, and let's see gonna we test or not. So also we have this candle is kind of mystery candle that showed us we have the tail to the upwards and to the downwards, so it's like we can go and upwards and then downwards too. So let's just wait a little bit and see. Also, we are not working with the curves here. As you can see, we worked really with the maximum situation only, and now we're working with the minimum situation. Also, as you can see, if we're gonna have the parallel channels that I showed you the earlier in my videos, we working for this kind of zone, I think. So somewhere right here we're gonna work. Also, as you can see, we don't have many support or resistance zone. We just have this breaking line moment. As I usually say, if this was RSI indicator, for example, you should see this breaking line on the graph X. And just few seconds, guys, and we're having our profit. That is just amazingly cool. So let's wait just a little bit, and oh my god, guys, $20,000 in our hands just so easily. I'm just so happy today. Okay, guys, so we have $20,000 already in profit. So let's continue, and I'm putting for 1 minute $10,000 because I told you that we're gonna test different time zones, timetables. So I told you that we're gonna try different time limits here. So I'm testing these time limits for you because I'm very sure in this strategy, as you can see. So what is happening right here? We have the breaking line moment to the downward. So now we're gonna try to compensate it. Also we have this difference and this X line moment for the zero. Also we can see these tails from the green lines that we showed. Well, we tried the zone downwards, but it didn't work for us really, so we're gonna try the upwards situation. So let's just wait, and that is tricky. Oh my god, that one was tricky. That is the trickiest. Oh my god, we had the profit. That was really tricky. You saw just 1 second and you could lose everything. And guys, we already have a $50,000 just few trades and we gonna have them. So let's continue. I think that strategy is working amazingly nice. So let's put the situation. Let's wait till the candle gonna put the position, and what we can see, so the candle, the zigzag line worked for the higher position more than 10 minutes. Also we have the zero volume candle that showed up, that we tested the zone upwards and it's not comfortable, and now we're gonna compensate the growing of this traffic and these graphics here. Also we have here the first support zone that we're testing, and here's the second support zone. I'm not gonna highlight the first support zone because we already passed it, but we have here the second support zone for the notice, and we already having the amazingly nice profit, guys. So I think that is just wonderful. We are waiting just a few seconds, and graphics is still unstable, but just in 1 minute we're having the profit of $9,000 from one trade. I think that is just wonderful. I don't know how to explain it with another language because it's just amazingly and breathtaking situations today. So we already having a lot of profit. Okay guys, so let's move on and make few trades that gonna be amazing. So I want to have the 10,000 profit, and for that we're gonna put $10,900. Today I'm just trading like a crazy, but I'm just so sure in this strategy and it's so easy to work with that I'm just amazed. So we having more than 20 minutes growing without any stitch, and now we're gonna compensate it for sure. So now our movement gonna go to the downwards, and we can say it with a parallel channel first. So as you can see from this point, we already going that down, yes, and also we have support zone right here that we're testing. We have a lot of support zones to test in this period, in this asset, so for sure we're gonna test it. And also we have this a little bit mystery, again mystery candles that showed up. Well, we tested the higher position zone and downwards position zone, and I'm not sure what's happening, but guys, we have the profit here again. We just amazingly nice. I think like we earned $48,000 today with only one non-profitable deal, and even that we have $44,000 in profit with this strategy so easily, using the martingale strategy, using this strategy, and you just earning that kind of money just in few minutes of your life. I think that is just unbelievable. And also, if you want to grow your capital and know all the secret of the binary option, don't forget about my Telegram channel where I give you free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel so you won't miss my interesting and useful video. My name is Camila. Bye bye.